Hashtag how to pack light. The art of minimalist travel. Imagine standing at a bustling airport, watching hundreds of travelers struggle with oversized suitcases, paying unexpected baggage fees, and dragging heavy luggage through crowded terminals. Now imagine yourself walking past all of them, calm, unburdened, carrying everything you need in a single compact bag. That is the promise of minimalist travel, and today, we are going to show you exactly how to achieve it. The philosophy behind packing light minimalist travel is not a new concept. Explorers, nomads, and adventurers throughout history understood something fundamental: the more you carry, the less free you truly are. But somewhere along the way, modern travel culture convinced us that we need more outfits, more options, more backup plans packed into heavy bags that weigh us down physically and mentally. The average traveler brings far more than they actually use. Studies by travel gear companies like Eagle Creek and Tortuga have surveyed thousands of frequent travelers, and the results are consistently striking. Most people report using only about 60% of what they pack, meaning nearly half of everything in your suitcase is dead weight. That is not just an inconvenience, it is a habit that costs you time, money, and energy on every single trip. Think about what heavy luggage actually costs you. Checked bag fees on major airlines range from $30 to $60 per bag, each way. On a round trip, that is potentially $120 spent before you even arrive at your destination. Budget airlines like Spirit, Frontier, and Ryanair charge even more for oversized bags. Beyond money, there is the time cost, waiting at baggage claim, sometimes for 30 minutes or longer, while travelers with carry-on bags are already on their way to the hotel. And there is the physical toll. Lugging a heavy suitcase up cobblestone streets in Rome or navigating a crowded Tokyo subway station becomes genuinely exhausting when you are managing 40 pounds of luggage. The one-bag philosophy. The cornerstone of minimalist travel is the one-bag philosophy. The goal is simple: everything you need for your trip fits into a single personal item or carry-on bag. Organizations like onebag.com and R1Bag, a Reddit community with over 1 million members, have made this approach incredibly popular among frequent travelers and digital nomads who travel for months at a time with nothing more than a 30-liter backpack. The key metric to understand is the carry-on size limit. Most major international airlines allow carry-on bags up to 22 inches by 14 inches by 9 inches. A well-designed travel backpack in that range, such as the Osprey Farpoint 40 or the Peak Design Travel Backpack, can genuinely hold everything a thoughtful packer needs for a trip of 1 to 4 weeks. Yes, weeks, not just a weekend. How is that possible? It comes down to 3 principles: choosing versatile clothing, maximizing compression, and eliminating redundancy. Let us break each one down in detail. Principle 1. Versatile clothing. The single greatest mistake travelers make is packing outfits instead of pieces. When you pack outfits, you bring a specific combination of clothing for each day, and nothing works interchangeably. When you pack pieces, every item works with every other item, multiplying your outfit options dramatically. Start with a neutral color palette. Stick to black, navy, gray, white, and earth tones. When every piece shares a color family, everything mixes and matches effortlessly. A pair of dark slim-fit pants can work for a daytime city tour, a casual dinner, and a business meeting. A simple white linen shirt works on the beach, in a restaurant, and layered under a jacket for cooler evenings. Fabric choice matters enormously here. Merino wool is widely considered the gold standard for travel clothing. It is naturally odor-resistant, meaning you can wear a merino t-shirt for 2 or 3 days without it smelling. It regulates temperature, keeping you comfortable in both warm and cool climates. It is wrinkle-resistant and dries quickly. Brands like Icebreaker, Smartwool, and Uniqlo offer excellent merino options at various price points. A practical clothing list for a 2-week trip in a warm climate might include 3 t-shirts, 1 long-sleeve shirt, 1 lightweight jacket or hoodie, 2 pairs of pants or shorts, 4 pairs of underwear, 2 pairs of socks, and 1 pair of shoes plus lightweight sandals. That entire wardrobe can compress into roughly half of a standard carry-on backpack. Principle 2. Maximizing compression packing technique is a skill, and two methods dominate the minimalist travel community. The first is the rolling method, where clothing is tightly rolled rather than folded, reducing wrinkles and allowing pieces to pack more efficiently into corners and gaps. The second is the bundle wrapping method, where clothes are layered and wrapped around a central core object, distributing fabric evenly and virtually eliminating wrinkles entirely. Packing cubes are transformative tools that every minimalist traveler should use. These lightweight zippered fabric compartments allow you to organize your bag by category: one cube for tops, one for bottoms, one for accessories. Compression packing cubes go further by having a secondary zipper that compresses the contents, reducing volume by up to 30%. Brands like Eagle Creek and Compression Cube by Shaq are popular choices. A full clothing set that might loosely fill a bag will compress into a surprisingly small footprint. Principle 3. Eliminating redundancy This is where honest self-assessment becomes essential. Redundancy creeps into packing in subtle ways. You bring 3 pairs of shoes when one versatile pair would suffice. You pack both a hair dryer and straightener when most hotels provide one. You include 4 books when a single e-reader holds thousands. You bring a separate camera, a backup camera, and your phone, all capable of shooting the same images. Every item in your bag should earn its place by serving multiple functions or being truly irreplaceable. A lightweight rain jacket that also functions as a windbreaker is worth packing. A separate umbrella when your jacket already has a hood is not. A scarf that doubles as a blanket on cold flights, a beach cover-up, and a pillow covering is a packing genius move. A decorative scarf with one single purpose is not. The toiletries category is where most people dramatically overpack. Solid toiletries, solid shampoo bars, conditioner bars, and solid sunscreen eliminate liquid restrictions entirely and weigh significantly less than their bottled counterparts. Lush and High Bar make excellent solid options. A small, versatile cosmetics kit with multi-use products replaces an enormous toiletry bag. A BB cream replaces foundation, sunscreen, and moisturizer simultaneously. A tinted lip balm works as both lip color and a subtle cheek stain. Going deeper. The psychology of overpacking understanding why we overpack is just as important as knowing how to stop. Travel psychologists and behavioral researchers have identified several cognitive patterns that drive excessive packing. The first is the availability heuristic. We pack for worst-case scenarios that our brains can easily imagine. What if it gets cold? What if there is a formal event? What if I spill something on my only nice outfit? These scenarios feel vivid and likely, even when statistically rare. The second pattern is loss aversion. We feel the pain of not having something we need far more intensely than we appreciate the ease of traveling light. So we hedge, overprepare, and overpack as a form of emotional insurance. The antidote is a simple mental reframe. Almost everything you forget or need unexpectedly can be purchased locally. Traveling to Paris and realize you need a warmer sweater. You are in Paris, one of the world's fashion capitals. There is a pharmacy, clothing store, or market within walking distance of virtually any destination. Packing as if you are heading to a remote wilderness with zero resupply options is rarely an accurate reflection of reality for most travelers. The digital minimalism connection modern minimalist travelers also apply these principles to their technology. Instead of a heavy laptop, a tablet with a keyboard attachment handles most work tasks at a fraction of the weight. Cloud storage eliminates the need for multiple backup drives. Digital maps, tickets, boarding passes, and guidebooks replace entire categories of physical items. A single unlocked smartphone running offline apps like Maps,